हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सेल्फ स्टडीज़। मेरे हमें चैनल पे आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं हिस्ट्री ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया, द इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट एंड हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन आंसर। पॉइंट 2 बी रिमेंबर हिस्ट्री एंड द पिलर्स। द हिस्ट्री इज द करेक्ट अकाउंट ऑफ द सिग्निफिकेंट पास्ट इवेंट इन प्रोग्रेस ऑफ ह्यूमनाइजेशन। टाइम, पैलेस, सोसाइटी, इंडिविजुअल आर द 4 मेजर पिलर्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री। Geographical content in history. The compared place is related geographical condition. History and geographical is inseparable. History is influenced by geographical condition, diet, clothing, housing, occupation, and in fact entire human life in any region depend on its geographical characteristics. Therefore, we find difference in lifestyle of the people of the hilly region and those of the plains. The climate, the rainfall, agriculture, produce, flora, fauna, and the regions of the main sources of livelihood. Human settlements have flourished wherever it means of livelihood are plenty. Degradation of the environment, drought, invasion, etc. lead to the scarcity of men, means people are forced to leave their settlements. Geographical feature of India. India is a large city having Himalaya to its north, the Bay of Bengal to east, the Arabian Sea to west, and the Indian Ocean towards south. Bearing the Andaman Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. India has a continuous geographical area. Pakistan and Bangladesh were parts of India before 15 August 1947. Geographical regions. The principal geographical regions of India are the Himalayas, the plain in the basin of river Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra, the Thar Desert, the Decian Valley to the coastal regions and the island in the sea. चलिए हम क्वेश्चन आंसर देखते हैं। Write and practice class work homework. Select the appropriate alternative from those given in the brackets and complete in the following statements. Pakistan and Bangladesh were parts of India before 1947. यहाँ पे मैंने क्वेश्चन आंसर लिख के रखे हैं पहले से, मैं आपको रीड करवा रही हूँ। The ancient trade route from China passed through dash or reached Arabia, Central Asia. The Hindu Kush and Himalaya range have created an imperial wall on the dash side of Indian subcontinent. तो आंसर आएगा नॉर्दर्न। नेक्स्ट पेज। There is a land route through the Khyber and Bolan passes in the Hindu Kush mountain. The ancient trade route from China was known as the Silk Route. Many fill in the blanks. Many foreign invaders used the route passing through Khyber and Bolan Pass enter ancient India. The Thar Desert spreads across Rajasthan, Haryana and some parts of Gujarat. The parts of Thar Desert in today Pakistan. The ancient Harappa civilization flourished in the northwest part of Indian subcontinent. Hindu Kush and Himalaya mountain ranges have spread in the Indian subcontinent from desert of Central Asia. Answer the following. What is history? Question है what is history? Answer is history is a current account of the significant past events in the progress of human civilization culture. फिर से सुनिए, what is history? History is a current account of the significant past events in the program of human civilization culture. Question number 2. Where do the human settlements flourish? The human settlements flourished wherever the means of livelihood are plentiful. What do people in the hilly regions depend on for their food? वहाँ के लोग किस चीज़ पर डिपेंड करते थे अपने भोजन के लिए? द पीपल इन द हिली रीजन्स डिपेंड ऑन हंटिंग एंड गैदरिंग फूड. विच इज़ द अर्लीस्ट सिविलाइजेशन इन इंडिया? द हरप्पा सिविलाइजेशन इज द अर्लीस्ट सिविलाइजेशन इन इंडिया. नेम द 4 मेन पिलर्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री. टाइम, पैलेस, टाइम, प्लेस, सोसाइटी एंड इंडिविजुअल आर द 4 मेन पिलर्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री. In which region did the state and empire of the ancient India embrace? The basin of the river Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra extend from Sindhu, Punjab in the west to the present day Bangladesh in the east. Observe the physical map of India given on page number 4 of the textbook and answer the following question. Which mountain range the North India? Answer is Hindu Kush and Himalaya mountain range lie in the North India. Next question is, which are the roads to India from the northwest? Khyber Pass and Balon Pass are the route to the India from the northwest. Next question, where do the river Ganga and Brahmaputra meet? Answer is the river Ganga and Brahmaputra meet in the Bangladesh. Next question, name the island to the east of the Indian peninsula. Answer is Andaman Nicobar Island are to the east of the Indian peninsula. Next question is, in which part of India do we see the Thar desert? Answer is, we see the Thar desert in Rajasthan, Haryana and Gujarat. Answer in brief the following question. What does human life depend on? Answer is, human life to a large extent depends on the geographical characteristics of the region in which they live. The climate, rainfall, agriculture, produce flora and fauna of the region where we live are the source of livelihood. What features for our surrounding from the means of livelihood? The climate, rainfall, agriculture, produce, flora and fauna of the region from the means of our livelihood. Which region is known as the Indian subcontinent? Answer is South Asia is described as the Indian subcontinent. They consist of Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal and Bangladesh. Next question, give reason है. There is a close relationship between history and geography because first point is place is a one of the pillars and basic for writing history. Second point is place is a related to the geographical condition which influence the food habits, dressing, housing and economic activities of human beings in the given area place. People are forced to leave their settlements because damage of the environment, drought, and the foreign invasion of the foreigners make living of people difficult. Second point is, as a result, people are forced to leave their settlements and migrate to other place in a search of the mean of livelihood. Next question is, write short notes on the following. Indian Peninsula, the region between the east and the west, coast of India tapers off to the south. Second point, this region, the Indian Peninsula, has the Arabian Sea to its west, the Indian Ocean to its south and the Bay of Bengal to its east. A major part of the Indian Peninsula is occupied by a Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau, the region described as Deccan Plateau, falls within the Indian Peninsula range is towards west. Sahyadri Mountains range divided the plateau into Western Ghat. Coastal Karnataka, Malabar region, the fertile land in this region led to the emergence of several agriculture civilization as well as small and big empires after the fall of the Maurya Empire. Next question is, explain the difference human life in the hilly regions at the plains. Hilly regions and plains. First point is, the life of the people is more strenuous. The life of the people comparatively less strenuous. Then not much fertile land is available. The fertile land available is on a large scale. The food grains and vegetables are scarce. The food, grains and vegetable are available in sufficient. The undertake hunting of the animal and gathering of the food are consumption. They They consume food, grains and vegetable in larger quantity. There is 4 point hilly region and plains. तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हमारा फर्स्ट चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट होते हैं. सेल्फ स्टडीज़ को आप लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि सब्सक्राइब करने का कोई चार्जेस नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स. टेक केयर स्टूडेंट्स.